Hi, welcome to DNA Checkup. DNA is the hereditary material in humans. The information in DNA is stored as a code made up of 4 chemical bases: adenine, or A, guanine, or G, cytosine, or C, and thymine, or T. A gene mutation is a permanent alteration in the DNA sequence that makes up a gene, such that the sequence differs from what is found in most people. An important property of DNA is that it can replicate or make copies of itself. Mom and dad pass copies of their DNA in the egg and sperm, which unite to create a new life. Generally, there are 2 inheritance patterns of genetic conditions: dominant and recessive. We are testing for most autosomal or X-linked recessive genetic disorders. All copies of a gene must be mutated for a person to be affected by a recessive disorder. Carriers have 1 mutated gene and 1 normal, and their health is rarely affected. The inheritance pattern of a genetic disorder can be found at the Genetics Home Reference website at ghr.nlm.nih.gov. Immediate and extended family members of an affected individual are at risk of being carriers. Your results. Negative results do not completely eliminate the chance of being a carrier, though the risk is greatly reduced. Offspring of individuals testing negative are unlikely to have a tested mutation that is present in the affected family member. If your results confirmed that you are a carrier, it means you carry a mutation and might pass it to your children. We recommend that you speak with your physician or genetic counselor about your results, particularly if you are found to be a carrier. You can request a personal genetic counseling session via telephone or video at a discounted rate from PWN Health Network. They can be contacted at gc@pwnhealth.com. Their phone number is 888-362-4321. Please be aware that if you are pregnant or considering becoming pregnant, that this testing does not replace standard carrier testing for other genetic diseases that may be recommended based upon your ethnicity. Your physician or genetic counselor can discuss this with you further. Thank you for using DNA Checkup.